I really like to teach at the Florence School of Regulation because where else can you find all these countries represented? Basically, on each topic that I teach here, I have a room full of experts, and my role is rather to moderate and to facilitate the discussion. One of the topics I teach is everything related to infrastructure, the role of distribution as well as transmission system operators. I always like to start from the hot issues, the burning issues, the things that are debated today. Why? Because that's what you're dealing with. So a typical thing I do is to challenge you, but also to make you challenge each other, because that's even more interesting. The audience has a lot of expertise, but based on their own country experiences, they often have very strong opinions. And I like to make them realize that, yes, you have certain opinion based on an experience, but maybe there is also another way of looking at things. And then we learn from each other.